So the first hair transformation of the day is going to feature some baby bangs. Looks like she went bright blonde. Wow, loving this color. And of course, the baby bangs look amazing. Gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some hair transformations, hairstyles, options, and ideas you can play around with this season. So if you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the hottest and the latest hair trends. So here we see a color makeover. Ooh, copper with a pop of blonde. Absolutely love this color transformation. So gorgeous. And then we have a rather unique hairstyle. So this is called a jellyfish haircut. It's kind of like a different take on the mullet in my personal opinion. So she wants to color her hair. And the stylist mixed in some red. Look at the red with the blonde. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have a DIY hair color transformation. So she goes with one of the most popular hair color trends this season, and that is, of course, red. Beautifully done. Definitely right in line with that cherry cola hair color trend that we're seeing. So beautiful. Next up, we have someone rocking out a shaggy mullet curly style. Look at the stylist hair. Wow, I am definitely fangirling the rainbow bangs she has. She also has a unique mullet style here too. Now you can of course rock out a shaggy style whether your hair is straight or natural curly. So the stylist does the scrunching method and adds the diffuser to help define the curls. She created a gorgeous texture for this cut. And it does look like she has a slight nod to like a reddish brown going here. Wow, I think this color is actually really pretty. And it is kind of like a really nice strawberry blonde. So here we have someone once again getting ready to cut their hair. Looks like she wants to go with like a pixie style. Kind of like a pixie mullet variation. Oh, and I love the pop of blonde. Oh, this is so cute. Gorgeous. And like I said, yeah, this style is like a baby mullet or a pixie mullet. So cute. Perfect for the summer season as well. And that pop of blonde is just everything. And then we have another 80s inspired style. I think it's so funny that there's so many retro hairstyles making a comeback. We're seeing tons of 70s inspired looks, 80s, 90s. Oh, kind of like the wolf cut. Bottleneck bangs. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.